Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and that right here is Minnie. We have 4 cats at home, so when this brand contacted me to send me this one for the video, I had to say yes because with all the cats we have, and also we have 4 cats and we foster kittens. Right now we have 3 kittens. We're fostering 3 kittens, so technically we have 7 cats at home. But the thing that I like about this, so number one is 36 inches, and she's already kind of like about to take a nap. But this is 36 inches. It is extremely easy to assemble. I think it took me, I'm gonna say 15 minutes, but I think I'm exaggerating. With power tools, of course, gonna be a little bit better, but it is super, super easy to assemble. I do like, and I think the mini is about to come as well to check it out, but I do like a few things about this one. So number one, for example, it costs kind of like with the bed on top of it, so that's really good because the one they want to kind of like be away of the other cats or just like having some kind of a nap or just resting. That is super cool. It comes with scratching poles right here, which I think it's super, super good for them. They're always scratching the poles, and it also comes with this ramp over here, which is also really nice for there to use their nails over here as well and scratching it. But also with this kind of like 2 condos inside, they're super fluffy and soft, so they're gonna be able to also kind of like get away from the other cats or just like get away themselves and just rest right there. The base is actually pretty heavy and big, so this is not gonna be super flimsy at all. So I do like that as well. It's barely kind of like, I want to say like it's fairly super fluffy all over. As you can see, she's right there, still right there, right? And what about you, Minnie? You want to come over here and play? But also, this is super, super cool, this dangling thing. Let's see if she want to kind of like play with it. I want to see if I can take this to the actual kittens, to the foster kittens, so you can see them in action. Actually, let's take this to them. So take a look at these savages over here playing with this 36-inch cat trees I was telling you before. They really like it, of course. I think this is good for, I want to say not small cats, but medium-sized cats for sure. And also that this is super good for multiple cats. But if it is just 1 cat, it also could be really, really good. They love this thing, of course, and they have the chance to actually nap over there, of course, play, nap over there, go to the condo, scratch over there, go to the condo, scratch, use the ramp, and go to the condo as well. What about you, little buddy? What's happening? Oh my God, they're so, so playful. So this thing, 36 inches, super, super easy assemble, really fluffy, sorry about that, really soft, and of course with some really good features for them to use. I like it. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.